Hi, it's Gwen, your business and your tax strategist. Let's talk about why so many people are seeing lower tax refunds this tax year. The reason why a lot of refunds are less than they have been in the past 2 years is because a lot of the tax credits that were put in place because of the pandemic have went away. All the rules for credits like the daycare credit, the child tax credit, even the earned income tax credit for single people, they have reverted back to the 2019 laws and rules. In that case, what is happening is most of those credits were non-refundable credits. A non-refundable credit is where you just reduce your tax liability. You don't get the money in your pocket. It just reduces the dollar amount that you possibly have to owe to the IRS after your standard deduction or itemized deductions or your adjusted growth, or your above the line deductions. So that's all the non-refundable credits pretty much do. So the child care credit and the child tax credit are non-refundable credits. The child tax credit has a portion of it that becomes refundable after you have met your tax liability that turns into the additional child tax credit. So this is the main reason why refunds are lower. So a lot of you assume that, okay, the child tax credit was lowered to $2,000, so you still would get $2,000 for that child. That's not the case. Because it's a non-refundable credit, you do not automatically get $2,000 per child. You have to qualify for $2,000 per child, and that's based off of your income and the tax liability that you might have. So don't expect the fact that you might have 3 kids and you're thinking that you're at least going to get $6,000 for those 3 kids. That was only for last year. That's not for this year. So a lot of credits has been reduced. A lot of credits have been turned back to their original state, and that's why you are seeing lower refunds than you have seen the past 2 years. Not only that, so many of you have not had any federal taxes withheld, and that is affecting what your refund is looking like as well. For more tax tips, follow my page.